Good morning, students. Today start the chapter 12, Understanding Quadrilateral. Chapter 12, Understanding Quadrilateral. Angle, some properties of polygon. Sum of interior angle of a triangle. The sum of all three interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of all the three interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral. Sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Okay, children, this is your angle quadrilateral ABCD, and sum of this angle is 360 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Okay. Now next point. Sum of interior angle of a polygon. Sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and sum of interior angle of polygon is equal to pentagon is equal to 540 degree. Now your formula is here: n-sided polygon. Sum of interior angle of n-sided polygon equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. That is your formula of sum of interior angle of an n-sided polygon. Sum of interior angle of an n-sided polygon. Sum of interior angle of a polygon 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. 2n minus 4. 2n minus 4 into 90. Now next part, children, here. Look at here the formula. Sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Sum of interior angle n-sided polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, or 2n minus 4 into 90, or second method 2n minus 4 into 90. Both are right. Sum of exterior angle of any polygon. Interior angle plus exterior angle of polygon is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Okay, children, exercise start 12.2. Which of the following is not a set of an angle of a quadrilateral? Look at here the 5 angle in a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 angle is not possible in a quadrilateral, so it is not a set of angles of a quadrilateral. Next is 120 plus 60 plus 100 plus 17. 120 plus 60 is equal to 120 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Now 180 plus 110, 290. 290 plus 70 is equal to 360 degree. So it is a set of the angles of a quadrilateral. It is the set of the angles of a quadrilateral. Question 2. Find the exterior angle of a regular polygon having the following number of the sides. N is equal to 24. Exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 upon n. 360 upon 24 is equal to, each angle of a regular polygon is 15 degree. Each angle of a regular polygon is 15 degree. This is your exterior angle. This is your exterior, not each exterior angle. Exterior angle of a regular polygon is 15 degree. Now n is equal to 20 degree. Now each exterior angle of a regular polygon 360 upon 20 is equal to 18 degree. Answer. Question number 3. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon having exterior angle. Number of sides of a regular polygon equal to 360 upon angle. Now 360 upon 15 is equal to 24 is equal to 24 sides. Theta is equal to 9 degree. Now number of sides of a regular polygon is 360 upon theta. 360 upon 9 is equal to 40 sides. The angle of a quadrilateral are in the ratio of 3:5:2:5. Let the angle of a quadrilateral 3x, 5x, 2x and 5x. Sum of angle is 360 degree. Now 3x plus 5x plus 2x plus 5x equal to 15x is equal to 360. Now x is equal to 360 upon 15 is equal to 24. Value of x is given by 24. So here first angle 3x, 3 into 24 equal to 72 degree. Second angle 5x, 5 into 24 120 degree. Third angle 2x, 2 into 24 equal to 48 degree. Fourth angle 5x, 5 into 24 is equal to 120 degree. The angle of a quadrilateral are in the ratio increasing order with difference of 10. So let the angle of quadrilateral be difference of 10, x plus 10, x plus 20 and x plus 30. Now sum of the interior angle. 360 degree. X plus 10, x plus 20, x plus 30. X plus x plus x 4x plus 60 degree. 360 is goes to the opposite side. 4x equal to 360 minus 60 300. 300 upon 4 is equal to 75. Now put here the values of the first angle 75, second angle 75 plus 10 85, third angle 85 plus 10 95, fourth angle 95 plus 10 equal to 105. Find the sum of the interior angles of polygon having following number of the sides. N equal to n minus 2 into 180, 8 minus 2 into 180, 6 into 180 is equal to 1080. Answer 1080 degree. Answer. Put n is equal to 18. Sum of interior angle n minus 2 into 180, 18 minus 2 into 180, 16 into 180 is equal to 2880. Answer. N is equal to 20 degree. Sum of the interior angle n minus 2 into 180, 20 minus 2 into 180, 18 into 180, 3240 is the answer. How many sides of a polygon will have the same of interior angle of the polygon? Sum of interior angle is equal to 2160. Put here now 180 is divided by 2160 divided by 180 is equal to 12. So n minus 2 is equal to 12. Now n equal to 12 plus 2, n equal to 14. 14 is the answer. Next part. Sum of interior angle was 4140. Now n minus 2 into 180 equal to 4140 upon 180 is equal to 23. So n equal to 23 plus 2. N equal to 23 plus 2 is equal to 25. 25 is the answer.